I am going to share 5 online side hustles that have the potential to earn you thousands of dollars a month. Plus, some of these hustles have a very low barrier to entry, so anyone can do them and become rich. Watch till the very end. You don't want to miss out on any of these great ideas. Let's get to it. Create YouTube thumbnails. Creating YouTube thumbnails is more lucrative than most people think. You see, a YouTube video's thumbnail is what attracts the attention of the viewers first, which is why most creators are willing to pay a lot of money for it. And it turns out that making a thumbnail is not even that hard. You can make a killer thumbnail on Canva. Simply go to canva.com and create a free account. Then you just need to navigate to the Create Design button in the top right, select the YouTube thumbnail option, and get creative. Canva has tons of pre-made thumbnail templates that you can use. Plus, there is an extensive library of well-designed elements at your disposal. So you don't really have to create anything from scratch. Looking for YouTube thumbnail creation work is not difficult either. There is a thriving market for this skill on Fiverr. Just create a gig on the platform with your own pricing and clients will hire you. You can also apply directly for job postings on Upwork to get work. Now for the big question, how much can a YouTube thumbnail artist make? Just like any other job, you will first need to work for cheap to build up your portfolio. But once you have a strong portfolio and good reviews, you can expect to make around $3,800 a month on average using this money-making method. Many highly skilled and experienced people even make over $6,000 a month creating YouTube thumbnails. If you can get the hang of creating engaging and attractive thumbnails, the cash will come rolling in. Become a Google Ads specialist. The next side hustle I have for you is related to Google Ads. Ads are the bread and butter of Google, and the ones who make those are the Google Ads specialists. And these specialists actually make a lot of money doing this. Google Ads specialists with good experience charge over $100 per hour for their services. That is because their main clients usually tend to be companies capable of paying that much money. Here is the shocker. Despite the specialist in the name, becoming a Google Ads specialist is pretty easy. You don't have to do any degrees or anything. Instead, Google has created its own courses and certifications to help you become a Google Ads specialist. These courses teach you everything there is to know about ads, from Google Ads Search to Smart Campaigns and Google Ads Display. Every topic is covered in a very beginner-friendly way, making it very accessible. The best part is that all this knowledge is available for free at skillshop.withgoogle.com. The resources to learn and get certifications for becoming a Google Ads specialist are available for everyone. All you have to do is make the effort and do these courses. After that, you too can start earning at least $3,000 a month. Most companies who have online dealings, which most do nowadays, hire Google Ads specialists to promote their business. You can either get a job with such a company as a full-time employee, or you can choose to be a freelancer and get your work from Fiverr or Upwork. If you have enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because my upcoming videos are even better, especially if you want to learn new things every day. All right, let's get back to it. Become a notary. Another great side hustle that can change your life is being a notary. Each time an important document needs to be signed, a qualified and certified notary has to check it for the contract to be valid, and the notary charges a fee for offering this service. Generally, notaries charge around $100 to $200 for signing an important document. For general documents, they charge $10 to $30 for a signing, but there is a way to earn more. As a notary, you can offer to go to your client's location and do the signing there for extra money. Most people are even willing to pay an extra fee for the notary to come to them instead of going to the notary in order to get their documents signed. Now, if you want to become a notary, the process can vary depending on where you live. Some states just have you pay a fee and fill out an application, while others have you pass an exam or do a course to be eligible. These exams and courses are pretty easy. You should have no trouble getting through them with a bit of studying. The reason why I recommend this side hustle so much is because it is in demand. Many states legally require a notary to sign a contract for it to be valid. This means as long as this is a legal requirement, there will always be work available for you. Become a field agent. Another side hustle I highly recommend you try is Field Agent. Field Agent is a platform where companies hire people to be their auditors. Basically, a field agent does tasks for a company, such as taking photos of products in a store, taking surveys, reviewing products, and mystery shopping, among other things. You can get these tasks done in minutes while doing shopping or going to a restaurant. And in return, you get paid around $3 to $10 per task. This money adds up to a lot since you can easily get 4 to 5 tasks done in an hour. If you want to become a field agent, download the Field Agent app from the App Store on your phone and sign up as a field agent. Once done, you will have a list of jobs available in your area. Just reserve the tasks you want to do and do the job. Afterward, you will receive the money in your field agent account for completing the job once it is approved. It's as simple as that. Field Agent is available in the USA, UK, South Africa, Mexico, Ecuador, Canada, Spain, and Australia. So if you live in one of these countries, this side hustle is a golden opportunity for you. Create low-content books. Creating low-content books can make you a lot of cash. Low-content books are books that have next to no content inside them. The goal of such books is that the customer will fill in the content themselves. An example of this is journals or coloring books. Making low-content books requires very little effort as there is not much writing or designing involved. And for the little amount of work that needs to be done, you can outsource it to a writer or a designer. Once your low-content book is ready, you can publish it and put it up for sale on Amazon or eBay. If your book is in a good niche and you are making sales daily, you can expect to earn over $100 a day, depending on how you are pricing your product. Want to learn more about how you can make and sell a low-content book? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will make a video just about it. And if you liked this video, why don't you also check out 4 easy ways to make $100 in 100 minutes? Go on, click and start learning. And once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.